Hello my friends, it's Katerin on Katerin Factory, and today I will show you a simple trick to create a sharp crease on the jeans that dramatically changes their look. Not only does this make your jeans look more stylish, but it also gives them a longer, leaner appearance. And the best part, it's super easy. Take your jeans front and back and pull it apart. Lay the jeans down and make sure that inseam lines up with the side seam. This alignment is key to create a clean, professional-looking crease. I like to pin two seams together, then press it with an iron. The heat sets the crease, giving your jeans a polished, structured look that instantly makes them appear more tailored and refined. Now, if you want a crease to stay sharp even after washing, stitch along the fold from the top to the bottom. This creates a permanent crease that keeps your jeans looking fresh and neat. If the hem is open, it's even easier. Just sew the crease and finish the hem afterward. This is how I finish my stitching right before the fold for the hem, making back and forward stitching. That's it. It's done. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish my hem. While I was doing the hem, I was wondering what else I can do to make those lines even more noticeable and sharper. Those are my crease lines. What do you think? Do you like them or you prefer just a regular jeans? And here is a bonus tip. For a bold, stylish effect, apply the white fabric paint along the crease. It highlights the line and gives your jeans a fantastic eye-catching look. I got a chopstick and I'm just applying the white paint just like that along the crease. I hope you like the result. I just love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.